In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gmail support. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you are already logged into your account. On your main dashboard, locate the question mark icon or help icon in the top right corner. Click Help and wait for it to load. Once opened, you will see the panel on the right side with popular help resources. Check if your issue is listed there and follow the suggested steps. You can click Visit Help Forum to explore existing solutions, or click Ask the Help Community to get answers from community experts. Wait for the page to load. Follow the steps to post your question to the community. As another option, click Send Feedback from the bottom of the help panel. Click Send Feedback and choose Report an Issue. Select what you were trying to do from the drop-down, describe your issue, and explain what is not working. Check the box for We may email you for more information or updates. Click Next. Optionally, add a screenshot to help explain your issue, then click Send. Alternatively, open support.google.com/mail in a new browser tab. Use the search bar to type your issue and find troubleshooting steps. Scroll down and click Post to the Help Community. Once you see the Gmail Help Community page, scroll down to find Post a Question. Check the guides and categories if needed. Click Post a Question to continue. Enter a short summary of your issue. Explain your problem and what you've tried. Choose a category. Follow the next steps like checking similar content and adding more details. Click Next Step. Select your browser and platform. Review your post. Edit your display name if needed. And choose if you want email updates. Click Post. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.